guys, we are here at Passu Viewpoint. This is GB, Gilgit-Baltistan, and we are in Hunza, not Hanzu, Hunza. Hanzu is in China, but a very beautiful point to be, and amazing view. And I think more than this view, I'd just like to show you the view that's there. You see the glaciers there, and the melting. I see snow turning into water coming down, and by end of this season probably it'll all turn into water, and within another month it's going to be snowfall again all over, ice, covered with ice. So these are the glaciers, and now we are going to Passu village, which is down there, and we're going to have